We have reached the phase 1 of Gulmarg gondola ride and it is so amazing. 11 p.m. right now and there's about an hour to kill before my flight departs. I have a 3 or 4 hour layover in Delhi. So yeah, it's going to be a long flight. Kashmir has been on my list for such a long time. Actually, I had planned this trip in March 2020, but lockdown happened, COVID happened, and all the plans got cancelled. So yeah, I'm glad that this trip is finally happening and our flight is delayed. So the flight was delayed by an hour and the boarding has finally started. It's 12:30 right now and I'm super sleepy. So yeah, I'm just gonna crash after entering the plane. Delhi and it's 4 o'clock right now, 4 o'clock in the morning, and I've done my security check at the transfer and the flight to Srinagar is at 6 o'clock. All empty. I have reached Srinagar and now I'll go for the free COVID testing. The process was pretty quick. They just took the sample and just let us go. It's 100% free testing at Srinagar airport and now I'm off to my hotel. I have finally reached the hotel that we are staying at. My parents and my sister and my brother reached yesterday and I have just arrived. I'm going to go get fresh and then we are going to head to Gulmarg maybe. I don't know what's the plan. My dad has gone to book the taxi for 4 days. We are going to be here for 4 days. And then my parents are going to leave and then I'll be here for another 2 days. So the next 1 week is going to be amazing. Hello Pooja! कैसा लग रहा है? मम्मा! मैं नहाई नहीं हूँ। नहीं नहीं नहीं। पहले नहा के आने दो मुझे, अभी से खांसी आ रहा है देखो। क्या कर रही है? वीडियो बना रही थी। My mom and dad and my sister had arrived yesterday. तो क्या किया आप लोगों ने कल?
कल हम लोग शिकारा गए थे, डल लेक।
शिकारा राइड करी सनसेट पे। कैसा था?
सनसेट से पहले हम लोग को खाना की भूख लगी, तब तक खत्म हो गया।
कैसा रहा फिर? मजा आया?
आधे घंटे हम लोग रुके उसमें, घूमे, फिर आगे वापस।
हेलो कहाँ गायब थे 2 घंटे से? आपकी बेटी आई हुई है इतनी देर से? So I have gotten fresh and it's day 1 in Srinagar for me. My parents also just chilled yesterday. They just went Shikara ride at the Dal Lake. We are going to leave in half an hour. It's 10 o'clock right now. We have booked our cab, but before that, let me just show you the view from where I'm staying. It's 11 o'clock right now and we are finally leaving. The taxi driver is going to come in, I think 1 or 2 minutes, or maybe he has already come. We'll go down and see. The plan for today is Gulmarg, but we are late, so we'll see how that goes. So we have just crossed the Gulmarg toll and we have stopped here to take some gum boots for mummy and my cousin, because I'm wearing the Decathlon waterproof shoes. My sister is wearing boots. I think there's going to be a lot of snow, so yeah. But the weather is really pleasant. Like, I'm just wearing a single layer, full sleeves, and yeah, the views are just amazing. We've just stopped here for some pictures. You can see the entire valley from here, and there are villages and there's mountains, snow-cladded mountains in the backdrop. It is just amazing.
अरे क्या मजा आएगा.
So we have reached Gulmarg and it's 1 o'clock right now. We're not so hungry, but my dad was hungry, so we have got
very hungry.
some rajma chawal, 1 plate. We have finally reached Gulmarg. We just had our lunch, rajma chawal, and now we are going to take the ticket for the gondola ride. It is pretty amazing out here. It's 1 o'clock right now and it's already feeling like it's 4 o'clock in the evening, because the sun is hidden behind the clouds and it's pretty windy, it's pretty chilly, hands are a little freezing, but I am excited and so is my family. Hut to check, which is it? gotten a guide who's gone to take the gondola tickets for us. It's already 1:40 and the gondola ride, the ticket disbursement closes at 3 p.m. so we don't want to get late, so he's gonna run and get the ticket for us, and meanwhile we'll just walk and enjoy the views. So you can either walk to the gondola ticketing counter. It's I think about a kilometer or two long stretch, or going on the sledge to save time, to save energy, but we decided to walk. I think our guide bhaiya should have taken the ticket by now. Let's go and see. I think there's a lot of traffic and a lot of crowd, maybe because of the long weekend, Good Friday long weekend. It's been 20 minutes that we are standing in the queue, and we have got the tickets, so hopefully in the next 10 minutes we will be in the gondola ride. So yeah,
That's good.
it's been 1.5 hours and we are still stuck in line. Hopefully we'll be able to board the cable car soon. So that's the entry point right there, and we have to go through 3 more lines. It's 3:10 right now, so we will reach by 3:30, 3:45, and then we'll come back by evening, or mostly by the last gondola that comes. So yeah. The phase 1 of Gulmarg gondola ride, and it is so amazing. Look at this view, it's super amazing. That's phase 2. It was so amazing. We did the snowmobile, and ये लोग यहाँ पे है. 5 o'clock right now. We've had our evening snacks, lunch, whatever, and now we're heading back to the base, and then from there we'll drive back to Srinagar. So it's end of day one. We have reached back to our hotel, and the day was really exciting, exhausting, adventurous, and we are all tired. We had our dinner and came back to the hotel, and the plan for tomorrow is to go to Pahalgam. So see you tomorrow. Good night.